is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to learn the basic of Premiere Pro in detail. So without further ado, let's get started. Ooh, my hair is looking messy, right? Okay, so firstly I'd like to say, if you were in a hurry to get my points in brief, then go ahead and check my playlist of Premiere Pro quick tips.
You keep saying you're the talk of the town, baby. All I can hear is talking.
Last time I've announced about it from my channel. You'll get all the video tutorials of 1 to 2 minutes and
if you like the fast lanes, don't be slow, 'cause I'm giving you.
and you're gonna learn from beginner to the next level.
If you got something you wanna show it to me.
The first tutorial video is gonna release on this Friday. Go through the playlist and make sure you have subscribed to this channel. Stay updated. Now back to the point, and let's jump drive into the PC screen. You have to understand the Premiere Pro interface first. You should know 3 things: what are the regular workspaces we're gonna work in, name and the functionalities of the panel, and the tools we're gonna use. So now let's open up the Adobe Premiere Pro. Now when you open up Adobe Premiere Pro, you're gonna see the interface kind of like this. See it? I opened it up. It's Premiere Pro CC 2020. Now don't ask me to show how to install Premiere Pro 2020. No, I mean, don't be the bullshit. No, it's telling us to create a new project or open up the previous project, and these are the projects you have worked on recently. Now I'm gonna create a new project from here. After clicking on the new project, you can see a dialog box open. Here's the project name which you want to give. Suppose it's how to create a project in Premiere Pro, and here's the location of this project where you want to save. You can browse that location. See how I'm doing. Click OK, and voila, you have created a new project. Now what you are watching right now is this kind of interface, right? Now firstly, know these boxes you can call workspace. The whole layout is formed with a number of workspaces. Here you can get the different types of layouts. But we will stay on editing layout. You can see here is the white portion where we find the menu bar. I will discuss on this menu bar later on. Now I will go through the window menu bar. You see here the first one is workspaces. This is the list of the various layouts, or you can call also this customized workspaces. Now we're gonna cover up the name and the functionalities of the panel. Firstly, what are the panels? These are the panels: effect control panel, program panel, source panel, etc. With one or more than one panel, a workspace is formed, like this one. This workspace contains the source panel and effect control panel. from the window section you can get a bunch of different panels. Now we will jump on the tools. You can see a narrow workspace right here. This default workspace contains tools. These are the tools and they have their different types of uses. We will cover about that later on. Can I see a little notch there? Just click and hold for a second. You'll get some additional tools also. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next episode. Till then, stay tuned.